guys, post NECA depression day 1. I wasn't really gonna make a video today, but I have a few things I can mention. So starting out, just got out of bed. I don't know, it's like noon. I haven't eaten yet. I have some pretzels from the show from Klein that I'm gonna eat. I'll make a little backpack video maybe. But I have all this stuff I'll show you right here. So I have all this stuff that has to go into the car. I have like 4 bags here, my clothes bag, my Klein backpack, and Paige has all her stuff. She has like 3 bags, 4 bags as well, because every time we went to the trade show, we got another freaking bag full of crap. Not crap, amazing swag, my apologies. But I don't know how I'm gonna get all this stuff in my car, because when I picked up Paige, my car was already full, literally full. I have no room in my car, and now we have 6 freaking bags and my extra clothes bag, so like 7+ bags. So literally we're gonna have to like Tetris the hell out of my car, because there's no way. Like I literally can't fathom how we're gonna get all this stuff in my car. So I'm gonna try to combine everything and get it together and as tight as possible. Throw out what I don't need, I guess, just extra papers and stuff from the stuff. Maybe throw away some extra bags. I really don't know. But anyways, that's what I've been doing. I finished my day 3 video, so I just have to wait for a better internet connection to post that, but it's probably already up by the time you're watching this one, which is day 4, but NECA, post NECA day 1. So anyways, that's where I'm at. Oh, Paige is out shooting Skills Jam content, so I'm just here by myself. And then we're leaving for Kansas in the morning, but this is literally where we were at outside of the convention center. So that's a really cool picture. I actually wouldn't mind that like in my house or something, but so that's where I'm at. I was crunching some numbers and stuff like that, but really just trying to figure this all out and get some stuff done a little bit. So, and I still have to eat. So anyways, that's where I'm at right now. So stay tuned if this video ever makes it out to the world. And yeah, so wishing for all the best for today. So one more thing I will say is this all needs to get figured out by the end of the night, because we're leaving tomorrow morning. Paige doesn't know it yet, but probably gonna leave about 5 or 6 in the morning, so she's gonna love that. She's probably gonna have to sleep in the car for a while I'm driving for like 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours tomorrow. I don't know. Probably just gonna go halfway, at least 675 miles, but I'm gonna try to push for like 800-900 maybe, just to get closer, so I can have more time to hang out with Trevor, Jessica, the kids, all that good stuff in Kansas. So it's not just get there too late and stuff and just go to the wedding and then leave the next day. So I want to hang out a little bit, but I need to do the laundry because I'm literally out of clothes. I have a shirt and swim trunks and like 2 pairs of socks. I'm out of underwear, so that's fun. And then I do have extra clothes in a bag somewhere, but it's not like, it's like extra clothes, like a hoodie and like something else, so it's like nothing really wearable that's gonna help me out for tomorrow. So that's the current situation. All right guys, I think it's 6:14 p.m. if I just remember checking a second ago. I've just been sitting here in the hotel room all day, and I've only had pretzels and popcorn and a little bag of Sour Patch Kids, so that's pretty bad. Anyways, it was pretty bad. It was pretty sad, and just a lot of laying around, post-NECA depression, being lonely, you know, it's been hard. But Paige is coming back right now, so I'm getting hyped up. And I just finished the CAD welding video, which you may or may not know about. So I'm gonna be posting that as soon as I get an internet connection. And I did post the backpack video because that was like a 2-minute video. And then I need a better connection for the 30-minute NECA Day 3 video, which is already up. So if you haven't checked out the backpack video or the NECA Day 3 video or the CAD weld video, depending on if those are up yet before this video, check those out if you haven't already, because those are top tier. So Paige is coming back. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do, whether we're going to go find an In-N-Out or if she just wants to go to bed and talk to her parents or whatever. So that's it. That's the current situation, but she's on the move, coming back here right now. So I'm excited. So it's been a long, lonely freaking day. So I'm hyped. Let's go. All right, Paige is pulling up in just a second. I'm glad, because at first I was really anxious. I was like, what if these people abduct Paige? Like, It's gonna be so bad. Like, Rob's gonna hate me forever, and I'm gonna have to live with this guilt for the rest of my life. But as soon as she gets back, everything will be just fine, and we can just continue on our journey to Kansas, and it'll be stress-free. So she should be pulling up here any freaking second. I have no idea what kind of car it is, but there's only like 3 cars here, so she's gonna be the next one. She's like around the block, so. What? They dropped her off? Who does that? I'm upset. No 5-star review. There's Paige. Okay, I'm excited. Where is she? Paige. She doesn't see me. It's fine. It's fine.